In this video, we are starting with the properties of rational numbers, and the property in this video is the property of commutativity for rational numbers and of course other numbers. Let us start. So let us go to the next type of numbers. They are integers, and the first mathematical operation is addition. Let the numbers be 0 and 5. So 0 plus 5, what is that equal to? 5. And 5 plus 0 is also equal to 5. As you can see, 5 is equal to 5, as 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 0, that is a plus b is equal to b plus a. And when this happens, the remark is addition is commutative for integers, right? The second mathematical operation, that is subtraction, and let the integers be 0 and 5. So subtraction, 0 minus 5, what is that equal to? Minus 5, and change the order. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Now friends, minus 5 is not equal to 5. So 0 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 0. Therefore, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. And what's the remark? Subtraction is not commutative for integers. Shall we go to the third mathematical operation? Yes, that is multiplication. And let the integers be 0 and 5. Multiplication, 0 into 5 is equal to 0 and 5 into 0 is equal to 0. As 0 is equal to 0, therefore it means 0 into 5 is equal to 5 into 0. That is, a into b is equal to b into a. What's the remark? Multiplication is commutative for integers. Let us go to the last mathematical operation, that is division of integers. Let the integers be 0 and 5. Division, 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0, and 5 divided by 0, you know it is not defined if the denominator is 0. As 0 is not equal to not defined, 0 divided by 5 is not equal to 5 divided by 0, that is a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. What's the remark? Division is not commutative for integers. So dear students, how was this video? I am very sure that you have understood a lot from it, and if not, just visit it, revisit it, watch it, rewatch it. Thank you so much. See you.